Hey guys, welcome to H.E.R Music. I'm going to teach you how to play a song called Best Part by Daniel Caesar and H.E.R, which uses some really cool jazz chords. So I'll break that down for you, I'll show you the rhythm, and if you like what I do, please subscribe and check out the other videos. Okay, to a close-up. Okay, so I'm going to teach you 3 shapes for this song. So really simple. The first shape is going to use the A string as your root note. So you're going to bar, 5th fret, bottom 5 strings with your first finger. Make sure you use the solid part of your finger here. And then underneath you're going to play this little triangle. So second finger is going to go on fret number 6 of the G string. Third finger is going to go on fret number 7 of the D string. And pinky is going to go just underneath on fret number 7 of the B string. So you play the middle 4 strings. And this is a D major 7 chord. Okay, and in between each strum, you can tap the strings to get this percussion. Okay, next chord is going to use the E string as our bass note, and it's going to be a minor 7 shape. So its second finger is going to go on the 5th fret of the big E string. Then your third finger is going to play a little mini bar on strings D, G, and B on the 5th fret. So it will sound like that. With your right hand you play big E string with your thumb, and then first, second and third fingers play the D, G and B strings all together. And then in between each strum again you can do your percussion. So far it sounds like this. Okay, then the last shape, you're going to do the same shape in 2 different positions, is the major 7 shape with the E string root. So for this song you're going to use your thumb on the big E string. So on the 3rd fret use your thumb, and then you're going to play an A minor shape underneath it. So first finger is going to play the 3rd fret of the B string, second finger is going to play the 4th fret of the D string, and third finger is going to play the 4th fret of the G string. Again, same as the last chord, you play the big E string and then D, G and B with your right hand. Okay, and to get the percussion sound on your guitar, you're hitting the big E string with your thumb. Okay, so you can practice that separately to see if you can get that sound. So the whole thing so far. And then this last shape, you're going to slide it down 1, 2, 3 frets. Okay, so now your thumb is on the 6th fret, first finger is on the 6th fret, and your second and third fingers are on the 7th fret. Okay, in this chord you're going to add in your pinky on the 2nd time. So you go, and then your pinky goes down on fret number 8 of the B string. So it sounds like this. So the whole thing, really slowly. Okay, and that is the whole song.